Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal my top secret method for making YouTube videos for free using AI in 2024. Yep, you heard that right. Free. If you're a content creator looking to save some serious cash, and who isn't, stick around because I'm going to show you the exact tools and process I use. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about scripting. I use ChatGPT to help me draft my video scripts. It's like having a personal writer who works for coffee and compliments. I simply input a topic or a prompt, and within seconds, ChatGPT spits out a script that's ready to go. Of course, I make some tweaks to add my unique touch of humor, but the bulk of the work is done by the AI. And the best part? It's free. No more selling my soul for content ideas. Next up is the voiceover. I use ElevenLabs, an AI-powered voice generator that makes me sound way more professional than I actually am. I paste my script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice that doesn't sound like a robot from the 90s, and let the AI do its magic. Within minutes, I have a professional-sounding voiceover ready to go. And guess what? This tool is also free. Now I can save my voice for shouting at my brother. Now, let's move on to video editing. I use Adobe Premiere, a powerful video editing software that's like the Swiss Army knife of editing tools. And here's a little secret. I downloaded Adobe Premiere for free from a web. That's right, totally free. If you want to get your hands on it without spending a dime, check out the link in the description. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers, and I create mine using Canva. It's free and super easy to use. Even my cat could probably make a decent thumbnail with Canva, though I'm still waiting for her to take a graphic design course. Let me show you. I start with a template, customize it with my images and text, and within minutes, I have an eye-catching thumbnail ready to upload. It's like Photoshop for people who don't want to read a 500-page manual. And guess what? I'm so excited about Canva that I'm giving away free Canva access to the first 20 people who subscribe to my channel. Yes, you heard that right. Free Canva for 20 lucky subscribers. So hit that subscribe button, and you might just be one of the first to snag this awesome offer. Finally, it's time to upload and optimize the video on YouTube. I make sure to add a catchy title, detailed description, and relevant tags to help my video rank better. Here's a quick look at the process. With everything set, I hit publish, and my video is live for the world to see. Now I can sit back, relax, and pretend like I didn't refresh the views, count 100 times. And there you have it. That's how I make my YouTube videos for free using AI in 2024. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Unless, of course, you're still pondering whether to hit that magical subscribe button.